Right, so I'm currently making a game and I'm going to go through the code now and explain what each part does. This means that I can come back to this video at a later date and I can go through the code and recreate it for other titles. So this is the handle animation one. I'll also go through the updates animation in this video. So for starters, this entire section, this will always be there if we used the paper 2D template from Unreal Engine 4. If not, it's simply get velocity, get the velocity length and compare it. So compare it with 0 and then use a select to flip between flipbooks. If it's false, so if it is less than 0, if the velocity is less than 0, then you're not moving. It's false, so you're idle. If it is bigger than 0, it's true, so you're running. And that will then set the flipbook, which we've already made. And then it's a custom event, which is the update animation, which is down there. This is a state machine, which I will also show in just a second. So this goes into a switch on character states. Character states is the name of the state machine. You then get your state machine from the variables tab at the bottom, and then you can switch on each one. That is that entire handle animation box. It's as simple as that. For updates animation, it's a little bit trickier, but not too much. This is the rotation. So if your character is moving to the left, then it's going to flip the player sprite to look towards the left of the screen. Here it goes off the event tick, so every in-game tick it will update this. There's the custom event, the update animation that we've made. And then it compares floats between the input, which is the movement component, which is your character. It then, if the input is greater than 0, it comes up here and it controls the rotation by setting it to the right. If it's false, it changes it to the left. This again is all within the paper 2D Unreal Engine side scroller template. The character state machine is simply this. It's an enumerator that I've named character states. I have idle, running, jumping, dead, hit, knockback and shooting. All of these are linked to different parts of my character. So as a very quick rundown, so wherever it says set state machine, that is where it sets which state the character is currently at. This is in every single section, as it needs to change on every single action. It's the whole point of a state machine, is to change on each player state. The player state will change depending on what action the player is performing.